Hello, kids. Come and play. Let's start counting in a fun way. Clap your hands and repeat with me. We'll count the numbers 1 to 50. 1. O-N-E. Now repeat again. It's O-N-E. 2. T-W-O. Now repeat again. It's T-W-O. 3. T-H-R-E-E. Now repeat again. It's T-H-R-E-E. 4. F-O-U-R. Now repeat again. It's F-O-U-R. 5. F-I-V-E. Now repeat again. It's F-I-V-E. 6. S-I-X. Now repeat again. It's S-I-X. 7. S-E-V-E-N. Now repeat again. It's S-E-V-E-N. 8. E-I-G-H-T. Now repeat again. It's E-I-G-H-T. 9. N-I-N-E. Now repeat again. It's N-I-N-E. 10. T-E-N. Now repeat again. It's T-E-N. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. Now repeat again. It's 11. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. Now repeat again. It's T-W-E-L-V-E. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. It's 13. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. It's 14. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. It's 15. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. It's 16. 17. E-V-E-N. T-E-E-N. It's 17. 18. E-I-G-H-T. E-E-N. It's 18. 19. N-I-N-E. T-E-E-N. It's 19. 20. T-W-E-N. T-Y. It's 20. 21. T-W-E-N. T-Y. O N E. It's 21, 22. T W E N T Y T W O. It's 22, 23. T W E N T Y T H R dot E. E. It's 23, 24. T W E N T Y F O U R. It's 24, 25. T W E N T Y F I V E. It's 25, 26. T W E N T Y S I X. It's 26, 27. T W E N T Y S E V E. And it's 27, 28. T W E N T Y E I G H. It's 28, 29. T W E N T Y N I N E. It's 29, 30. T H I R T Y. It's 30, 31. T H I R T Y O N E. It's 31, 32. T H I R T Y T W O. It's 32, 33. T H I R T Y T H R E E. It's 33, 34. T H I R T Y F O U R. It's 34, 35. T H I R T Y F I V E. It's 35, 36. T H I R T Y S I X. It's 36, 37. T H I R T Y S E V E N. It's 37, 38. T H I R T Y E I G HT. It's 38. 39. TH. IR. TYNINE. It's 39. 40. FORTY. It's 40. 41. FORTYONE. It's 41. 42. FORTYTWO. It's 42. 43. FORTYTHREE. It's 43. 44. FORTYFOUR. It's 44. 45. FORTYFIVE. It's 45. 46. FORTYSIX. It's 46. 47. FORTYEVEN. It's 47. 48. FORTYEIGHT. It's 48. 49. FORTYNINE. It's 49 and next is 50. FIFTY. It's 50. Great job, kids. You counted all the way to 50. Keep practicing every day and you'll be a counting star. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.